In this After Effects tutorial, I'm going to show you my top plugins in After Effects to make your workflow 100 times faster. So without any further ado, let's begin. So the first plugin I'm going to talk about is the motion tool panel. In this plugin, you can just center align your anchor point easily anywhere, or like center align, right align, top right align, or anywhere. But the favorite part for me is when you select all these layers, you can just randomize them pretty easily to give it a more natural look. Like this. I don't like this one, so let's go with this. Okay. Yeah, pretty cool. This adds the more natural look. The second plugin I'm going to talk about is Deep Glow. Deep Glow gives you a glow, but 100 times way better than the normal After Effects inbuilt glow. It helps you control the exposure and the radius pretty easily, and it looks very clean and neat. Second plugin I'm going to talk about is the FX control panel by Video Copilot. So if I press Control plus spacebar for myself, you can add any effect you want, like transform. It's done. It's simple. You don't have to like navigate over here and select the effect you want or find the effect you want. The fourth and the last plugin I'm going to talk about is the keyframe wingman. So imagine if I create a shape layer, something of this short, and I wanted to make it bounce. So what you do is normally is go over here, press on position, add a keyframe on position, go a few frames ahead. Let's just hide these layers for now and bring it over here. Let's center the anchor point first. So it would be like this. I don't like this animation, so I wanted to make it at a graph of some sort. So let's press on P. It's easy as this. What you would normally do is go here, make your graph like this. And it's kind of confusing sometimes when your timeline is big. So what you can do is use this to ease them easily and go. Okay, you can't see much over here, but yeah, it so this just gives this graph, just adds a graph, but it's a game changer for me, and it may be a game changer for you too. So these are my top plugins, and I hope you enjoy and download them to make your workflow 100 times faster. Thank you for watching. Peace.